are cooking vendi masala. Let's go. Clean our lady's fingers. And then we will cut it into small pieces. Now we will cut it into small pieces. Yeah. Now let this pan heat properly. Then we will pour some oil. Then fry the lady's fingers. Then fry the lady's fingers. Add some salt. Take out the lady's fingers. Now we will prepare the gravy. Some more oil. Then we will add onions. Then add some salt to make it soft. Pinch of turmeric to add the color. Then we will add the secret masala made by my mom. It contains ginger, garlic, coriander, cinnamon. Then we will add some tomato. Then add salt to make it soft. Then add some curd to make it creamy. Lady's finger with the masalas and cook it for 5 minutes. Then add some kasuri methi for the flavor. And some garam masala for the taste. Then cover it for 1 minute and then it is ready to serve. It smells like heaven. And now our vendi masala is ready to serve. Master Chef Arnab Harichandran.